My name's Troy, and this is the new Facility D20. We got a bit of work to do. Yeah, so as you can see, we got a lot of work to do here yet. So I'm excited about it because it's going to be really fun, but it's going to be a big challenge. As you can see, I've already got a little bit of work done. I've de-greased the floors. We've done a bit of plastering. Next thing we got to do, we're going to epoxy paint the floors. We're going to paint the walls. We're going to move into cabinets. We're going to move into lights. We're going to build a whole studio. This is going to be a really cool video. It's going to be really fun. This is Facility D20. We're always making cool stuff. First thing I did was use some epoxy shield to paint the floors. Now guys, stick around until the end of the video because I'm going to tell you how you can enter to win a free 3D printer. Once I had parts A and B mixed together, I gave them a little stir and I started to paint the floor. I worked in small sections so I would have a wet edge to allow something for the paint chips to stick to. I just continued like this until the entire garage was completed. I sucked up all the loose paint chips and then I hit it with some clear coat with a little bit of sand mixed in for grit. Then I moved on to painting the beam. Had to do a little bit of drywalling and plastering. And I actually hate plastering so much, I suck at it. But anyways, I got the job done. Then I went ahead and gave 2 coats. Guys, if you're enjoying this video, smash that like button. It really helps out little channels and really helps to get this video moving. And I also painted this section here, which encloses the chimney, in that blue color as well. Next up, I had to touch up all the trim paint. And then I had to add some glue and put on some rubber stair treads. Also, that ledge is kind of dangerous, so I added an aluminum rail. So you gotta love the magic of editing. What was about 3 weeks worth of work was just done like 1 minute. Now, the next part is the fun part. I gotta bring in the workbench, the hobby tools, there's 3D printers. We're gonna build a partition wall, and we're gonna set up a really cool YouTube studio where I'm gonna do all my filming. I also got some brand new gear that I wanna show you guys that I'm really excited about, and I can't wait to get at it, so let's just get to it. Then it was time to install the cabinets. And you may recognize these from the old facility. Once I got everything in place, I put on the stainless steel tops. Then I put on the slate board, and I needed a little help to get the upper cabinets on, so my wife gave me a hand. Then it was on to building the partition wall. I used some flooring to case the wall in. One, two, three, go. Once I got it up, we moved it into place. And I used my ram set to nail some nails into the cement floor. And I just ran some spans to attach it to that beam just to hold it in place. So if I ever move locations, or when I move locations, I can easily take down this wall. Next up, I had some more garage cabinets, and I decided to try to make some sort of workbench from these. So I encased them in some flooring.
worked out quite nice. I added a pine top, and then I gave that 3 coats of urethane to get a nice smooth and durable finish on the top of it. Then I hung the TV, moved some more cabinets into place, put in my display shelf, my hobby desk.
Things are really starting to come together. Hey, well, we're at the point of the video and the project that I was most looking forward to. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to set up all my models and pictures and decor items and all that stuff and put it on display. But we're also going to set up a whole bunch of YouTube equipment here that I got for my studio. Now I've been running this whole channel before off a couple of lights and a simple tripod and a point and shoot camera. But now that I'm in a more permanent setup with a dedicated space just for filming, I'm going to go ahead and kind of up my game here. So I got some really cool stuff. We got some LEDs for some ambient background stuff. I've got a wide angle macro lens for my camera. We've got a little turntable to display the minis. We got an umbrella softbox. We got some rigs, some boom arms, some bench lights, and we even got a nice big studio light here. And I really got to take a second here and thank all my patrons who supported the channel and all the sponsors who support the channel. Pretty much every single thing that you've seen here in this video that I had to pay for, that I didn't take with me in the move, was all due to the support of my patrons and the sponsors and everything that's really helped me get to this point. So thank you guys, it means the world to me. Now, for the part I've been looking forward to, I want to get at this, so let's go.
Now I gotta say, this was definitely my favorite part of the whole project. Adding the LED lights, put in the bench lights. These are super bright, by the way. Had some really cool pictures of some of my favorite IP. There's some Warhammer 40K, Dungeons and Dragons, Magic the Gathering, and last but not least, Lord of the Rings. This came into my workbench, so I just kind of stuck it on the wall because it looked cool. Added some floating shelves. Then I had these hex lights. These things are pretty cool. So I just made a random pattern, stuck them on the wall, turned them on. Hit them, you change these colors. Loaded up my display case with a bunch of Warhammer miniatures and 3D printed stuff and some War Machine miniatures. Filled out the shelves with some of the projects we made here and some of the collectibles I got. Threw my board games up on top, loaded in my paints and my 3D printer over there. Over here I also modified this workbench, added a pine top to it, put my 2 printers on it, put some cabinets above it, washing gears on the bottom. Here, this hobby table is going to be in my new airbrush station. I've got a spray booth there. If you guys are interested in it, let me know in the comments. I might make a video. Here's my new lens, added to my camera. Got my boom arm and my light up. And the slogan, making cool stuff.
Before we take a look at the final result here, I've got some exciting news and I want to tell you how you can win a free FDM 3D printer. LV427 Designs has come on board as the official sponsor for Facility D20. And right now, they're giving away a 3D printer of your choice valued up to $400. All you gotta do is head on over to their website and download the totally free file, Corridor Last Stand. Even I just downloaded the Corridor Last Stand and it's fresh off the printer. And while you're there, make sure you check out the Corridor Starter Set, because if you use the code MEMBER, you'll get 50% off of that entire collection. Now, LV427 Designs makes some absolutely amazing interior spaceships and buildings for all sorts of sci-fi games, from Space Hulk to Warhammer 40K, Aliens, Star Trek, Star Wars, Battlestar Galactica. Basically, if you can think it up, you can build it with their STL files. Because that LV427 Designs is an official sponsor, I've got an exclusive code, D20-15. You can use this code to get 15% off of anything in their entire store. I'm going to link everything below in the description. Make sure you head on over and check it out. They got some super cool stuff.
So I'm really excited about this new space. I think it's going to be awesome. I can't wait to get making projects again. I'm really excited and I'm finally ready to roll again. Guys, go ahead and smash that subscribe button because there's a lot of cool stuff coming in the future. We're going to go bigger, faster, better than ever. I'm pumped about it and I know you guys are going to love what's coming. So smash that subscribe button. Stick around on my channel. There's a whole bunch of other cool videos. I'm going to link a whole bunch of them here. Take a look at them. Hey, and I'll catch you on the next one.